Okay, good morning 12th class. Welcome back after vacation. Now, before vacation, we have learned now the short revision of Nernst equation because we have done only one type of numerical on the basis of Nernst equation. The simple one formula derivation we have already done. The simple formula, and after that another formula, and then we will do numerical on that basis. Now just see Nernst equation. First of all, actually Nernst gave a relationship between electrode potential and the concentration of electrolyte. That one, electrolytic solution, that one is known as Nernst equation. So simple, it's a relationship between electrode potential and the concentration of the electrolytic solution. Now in this one, suppose one simple equation is given to you. That one is Mn positive plus Ne. That one is simple. Whatever is the number of electron gain, it becomes N. So when it is in ionic form, so obviously it dissociates into ions only in aqueous form, and this one is in solid form. So you can give any example in this way. Instead of this, you can write what that one is Cu 2 positive plus after gain of 2 electron, this one become Cu. So this one is a general example. So this M represents what? That one is metal in ionic form, and this one is metal after gaining of electron in solid form. On this basis, Nernst gave a simple formula. That one is E Mn positive, that one is oblique M. This one is a simple E cell, that is equal to E naught cell, and that is in the terms of reduction potential, minus this is 0.0591 upon N. Here this N represents number of electron. Whatever is the number of electron gained by this ion, that one is N. Log M, it's a product upon reactant. That one is very, very important. Concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. On this basis, that Nernst equation is there. And whenever we take concentration, so we will take concentration of liquid. Not of solid. So we will take concentration of solid as unity. That one is 1. So we can write this equation like this. It's a E, that is Mn oblique. It's a M. Now that is equal to E naught, it's a M positive. Sometimes it's written M and positive, or maybe simple it's a E cell is written, or maybe simple E naught is written. Now that one is 0.0591 upon N. It's a log. Now because this one is a solid and concentration of solid, we will take it as unity. So we will take it as, consider it as 1, and this one is Mn positive. So this one is your formula, and on this basis, we have done 2-3 types of numerical. Now we can write Nernst equation in another form also. Now suppose we have learned about equilibrium. Now in this, instead of this, we can write Nernst equation. This one is, we can write Nernst equation as also. Now suppose one simple, this one is given, that one is A, one equation is given, this one is B, it gives C plus this one is, it's a D and D. So simple to write Nernst equation, your simple formula, that one is E cell, that one is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N, that is equal to log. Now just see, it's a product upon reactant, concentration of product upon reactant, and whatever is the stoichiometric coefficient, that one will go in power. And in this also same condition is, you have to take concentration of only liquid, means of ions, not of solid. We will take that concentration of solid as 1. That one is same, but here I am writing simple formula. That one is simple CC, that is DD upon, it's a A, and this one is BB. So this one is your another formula. On this basis, I will solve 2-3 numericals today. Now just see, revise this formula. Then we will solve numerical. now on that formula basis, just see Nernst equation on that basis. Okay, we have one question and this it's a 2016 आपको बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन है 2016. Again this type is important, so one type will solve another type also. Okay, now just see in this it's a calculate the E naught cell for the following reaction at 298 Kelvin. One equation is given, that is 2Cr plus 3Fe2 positive. Okay, then this one is a symbol of equilibrium, that it gives 2Cr 3 positive. Okay, concentration is given 0.01 m plus 3Fe. Okay, given it's a E cell is given to you, that one is 0.216 volt. Okay, this one is unit. Okay, I forgot to write, this one is okay to 0.216 volt. Now in this you have to calculate E naught cell. Okay, for calculating E naught cell we have two formula. Okay, one is E naught cell, it's a E cathode minus E anode. If simple value is given to you, you can calculate this, but here okay E cathode and E anode is not given. It means we have a formula given by Nernst. Okay, so we'll use that formula. Simple, it's a E cell, that one is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591. Okay, sometimes it's written only 0.059, that one is also okay, no problem. Okay, that one is N. Okay, log. Now just see, it's an important thing, that is concentration of product upon concentration of reactant, and we have to take concentration of only aqueous solution, means those who are in ion. How to identify that this one is aqueous solution, means those who are given in ionic form, that one is basically in okay aqueous form, so that you have to write. So it's a product upon reactant and stoichiometric coefficient, that one will goes in power. Now just see, in this one it's a product concentration, that one is chromium. Okay, and this one is in aqueous form, that one is Cr3 positive, and upon another one is Fe2 positive, that one is also aqueous, that is Fe2 positive, that one is aqueous. Now just see, in this one the stoichiometric coefficient of chromium is 2, so this one will go in power. That one is very very important, because if you will not write this, बच्चे यहीं पे गलती करते हैं. Okay, and answer is wrong. Now in this 3, so here this one will goes in power. Okay, this one is a simple equation. Now you have to put values whatever is given to you, and then you have to solve. Now one thing is very easy. Now बोर्ड में तुम लोगों को लॉग की वैल्यूज़ मिलती हैं, ऑल्दो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन दैट हाउ टू ओके सी लॉग अगेन लॉग टेबल, बट नाउ लॉग इज़ अवेलेबल, आराम से वैल्यूज़ मिलती हैं, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आराम से देख सकते हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू कैन सॉल्व एंड इवन चेक योर आंसर ऑल्सो आइदर इट्स राइट और रॉन्ग. नाउ जस्ट सी, दिस वन इज your equation, simple equation is given, so you have to write, you want to write, so you can write this equation also, that one is Cr plus 3, it's a Fe2 positive, it's a equilibrium, that one is 2, okay, plus it's a 3Fe. Now in this case concentration is given 0.01 m, and here it's given again, it's a 0.01 m. Okay, this one is given, E cell is given 0.216 volt, so you can put this value. Now just see, substitute this value, so it's a 0.216, that is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon. Okay, now in this one you have to calculate n. Okay, from where you can calculate n, कैसे निकलेंगे? Okay, for this also, first of all I'll explain you this thing also, how to calculate n in this one. Okay, now in this, after writing this equation, okay, you can do one thing, okay, balance this equation, okay, or either you can write this equation in the form of okay, that is oxidation half and reduction half, otherwise you can directly see, just see, here it's a 2, here it's a 3, and their LCM is 6, and if you are not able to find like this, तो हम इसमें simple divide this equation into two half, oxidation half and reduction half. Just see, Cr becomes Cr2 positive, this to this it's oxidation, and Fe2 positive become Fe, this one is reduction. So first of all, oxidation half reaction, okay, the oxidation half is Cr, okay, that one is Cr become Cr3 positive after loss of 3 electron, this one become okay. Now another one is reduction half reaction, okay, Okay, reduction half is Fe2 positive. After gain of 2 electron, this one become Fe. Now check. Remember one thing, you have to balance this, okay, number of electron, because you have to cancel it when you write overall reaction. So you have to balance it. So how to balance it? Now just see, this equation is multiplied by, here it's a 2, here it's a 3. Okay, take LCM. So this side is multiplied by 2 and this side is multiplied by 3. Okay, so just check here number of, okay, when you write overall reaction, this one is overall reaction. Now in this case, this one become 2Cr plus, okay, now this one is 2Cr and here this one is plus 3Fe2 positive, and number of electron this side also, number of electron becomes 6, okay, and here number of electron also 6. So 6 to 6 cancel. So like, okay, 6 to 6 cancel, and from this way you can calculate n. So it means your n is 6. Okay, now in this one, just check, after this 6 to 6 cancel. Now this one becomes Cr3 positive plus 3Fe. Okay, so this one is equation, and whatever is after balancing this equation, after number of electron become equal, that one is the value of n. So here the value of n is equal to 6. So now this you have to, either you can solve it and show, or otherwise you can directly write like this key after balancing, okay, what's the value of n. Now put this value, that one is E cell, that one is 0.216, that is equal to, okay, E naught cell you have to calculate minus 0.0591 upon 6. Hope so now it's clear to you कि ये 6 कहाँ से आया, n कैसे calculate करा. After balancing, whatever you will get from number of electron, that one is your value of n. Now after that log, check, okay, chromium, that one is Cr, okay, their value is 0.01, it's a square, and here it is 0.01, that one is Q. Okay, now solve it. Okay, this full value goes this side and become plus. So we can write this equation like this: E naught cell is equal to 0.216. This goes this side and become plus. So this one is 0.0591 upon 6. Now it's a log. If you want to, you can open this value like this. Okay, square and cube. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now when you replace it, just see the here, okay, 100, so that one you can write 10⁻². This one is easy when you will take log. Whenever for this you can take log, just see this one is 0.0591 upon 6. Now log 10, so log 10, value of log 10 is equal to, okay, 1. So this 2 come in front and that log 10, and the value of log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, now solve this. 216 plus 0.0591 upon 6 into 2. This to this cancel. Okay, now after that you can pause the video, solve it. Now after solving this, our answer is, now just see, okay, now okay, this one is 3. Now 0.0591, after dividing by 3 it become 0. Now just see, this one is E naught cell is equal to 0.216 plus. Now divide this, so your answer is 0.01, okay, 96, 0.01, okay, 6, it's around 6 something. So this one is 0.0197. Now after that you can solve it and your answer is 0.2807. Okay, this one is your answer and unit is volt. So E naught cell, your answer is 0.2807. 2807 volt. Okay, now we will solve another numerical in another videos. Okay, thank you.